The birth of personal computers marked a revolution that transformed computing from a specialized tool for governments, businesses, and academic institutions into an accessible device for individuals. Before the 1970s, computers were massive, expensive machines that required dedicated teams of experts to operate. The idea of a computer for personal use only became possible with the invention of the microprocessor, particularly Intel's 4004 in 1971. This breakthrough allowed computing power to be condensed into a single chip, drastically reducing size and cost. As a result, the 1970s saw a wave of innovation from hobbyists and engineers who sought to make computers more affordable and usable for the general public. One of the first major milestones in personal computing came in 1975 with the introduction of the Altair 8800, a computer kit sold by MITS. Though it had no keyboard, screen, or built-in software, it was one of the first computers available to individuals at a reasonable price, sparking excitement among tech enthusiasts. Among them were Bill Gates and Paul Allen, who developed a version of the basic programming language for the Altair, leading to the creation of Microsoft. Around the same time, the Homebrew Computer Club, an informal group of Silicon Valley hobbyists, became a hub of innovation. One of its members, Steve Wozniak, developed the Apple I in 1976, which was later marketed by Steve Jobs. Unlike the Altair, the Apple I could be connected to a keyboard and monitor, making it more user-friendly. The real breakthrough, however, came in 1977 with the Apple II, one of the first computers designed for mass-market consumers. It featured color graphics, a built-in operating system, and expandability, making it popular among businesses, educators, and home users. Other companies, such as Commodore with the PET and Tandy, Radio Shack, with the TRS-80, also entered the personal computer market, demonstrating a growing demand for affordable computing. The industry took a major leap forward in 1981 when IBM introduced the IBM PC. Unlike Apple's closed system, IBM's open architecture allowed third-party manufacturers to create compatible software and hardware, which helped establish it as the industry standard. Microsoft provided the operating system, MS-DOS, while Intel supplied the processors, creating an ecosystem that encouraged rapid growth and innovation. As IBM PCs and compatible machines spread, Apple responded with another major innovation, the Macintosh, released in 1984. The Macintosh was the first widely available computer to feature a graphical user interface, GUI, and a mouse, making it far easier to use than text-based systems. Inspired by research at Xerox PARC, the Macintosh introduced a more intuitive way to interact with computers, particularly in creative fields like graphic design and desktop publishing. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, personal computers became increasingly powerful, affordable, and widespread. Improvements in processing speed, memory, and storage capacity allowed them to perform more complex tasks, while advancements in software made them essential tools for word processing, spreadsheets, gaming, and even early internet access. The rise of networking and the World Wide Web in the 1990s further expanded their role, turning personal computers into vital tools for communication, business, and entertainment. By the early 2000s, computers had evolved from niche products for hobbyists into indispensable tools for work and daily life. The personal computer revolution not only changed the way people worked and learned but also paved the way for further technological advancements, including laptops, smartphones, and cloud computing. What began as a dream of hobbyists and engineers in the 1970s quickly reshaped modern society, making computing a fundamental part of everyday life.